Rolling.
I only want to be with you by posting my lazies.
Rolling.
Rolling! Oh fuck! Not the freaking leaf blower!
There can't be that many leaves, Third.
I don't know, it is November in California. It's like low-key fall. It turned into fall real quick.
It's diet fall, man.
It's off-brand fall. This is Spicy by Ty Dolla $ign and Posty. All I know is this is trash. All I know is this is some fucking trash. Oh.
Or did you use paper cut your taint?
Probably. I fucks with the taints.
I'll lick your taint until you black out.
Oh my god. I love how aggressive like the beep, because when I say fucking, I always beep it out.
Yeah.
Because it's almost even more aggressive
Than
to have it
say.
beep out than it is to even like have me saying it. Free ebook called Master the blah, 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 blah. And as always, tuning and as wow.
Doing alright?
I'm fucking up.
You need to do some vocal warm-up. Warm up on this dick.
As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can. What the fuck? I just keep thinking of double disco kick your wiener, dog. Double disco kick is funny. Switch it up on the bitches.
Rolling.
Are we, Doug?
Rolling.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Bless you.
Oh, I popped my bag into my soul. And today we're learning how to play Buddy. Great. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double Eskimo punch your taint into a gopher's hole.
You do that one better. I like that. Fucking rude.
Why do we always film on Tuesdays? I feel like Tuesdays is like
They just...
quadruple air traffic.
They're like, Billy's filming, so... Is Tuesdays also like... Fucking let's grab our leaf blowers and shove
blow
up
each other's
ass?
dicks. Yeah, fucking apparently. Oh,
What the fuck you just do?
that was my wrist. I felt, and I was like, kapow. What was the name of the song?
Jesus, with the punching.
I know, like, I love it. I'll punch you. I really would, like, subscribe to my channel or I will physically harm you.
I will throw punch you in the balls.
See? I think it's also just because, like, Cardi B and that other girl just gross me out a little bit. Like, maybe if it was like Beyonce, I'd be like, ooh,
Ooh,
yeah,
wet ass
let me get some of that.
And you're like, no, I don't want any of that wet ass pussy.
No. I'd like, it's like literally I'd rather like chew my own balls, like drag them through broken glass and then like put them on fire. Like some of these I do just wonder, like, because I would love to say something like mutilate your genitalia, but at the same time I'm like, people are coming here for like friendly content. And I just don't know how jarring that would be to like most people, you know? Even though I was editing the Corona time video the other day and I forgot that I said I was gonna spit in people's mouths. And that's the only thing I said. I didn't say anything different. So I'm like, fuck, I gotta use it. We'll see how it goes. Yo. What up? What's goody two shoes with you? If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double gorilla kick your jawbo off of your freaking fuck. Bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on. Tell them.
Today we're learning how to make airplane noises.
If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll fuck. Yeah, well, and I think it's because I have it on my phone. But yeah, I got the red light blinking.
Sweet.
So I better be recording. I'll throw this shit out the window. Fucking stupid ass camera.
I thought you were gonna be able to do it.
I thought so
and then
too.
It just kept getting louder.
And then it's like a fucking air raid out there. Like, what is this, World War III? And your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string.
Hold on, there there's an emergency.
Like, y'all really need an ambulance right now? If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else you can eat shit. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else you might wake up with me as your new stepdaddy.